So the Prophet ﷺ, he said, إِذْ رُفِعَ لِي سَوَادٌ عَظِيمٌ. A large number of people were displayed and presented before me. He said, and I thought that that was my nation. And it was said to me, this is Musa and his people, alayhi salatu wassalam, showing us the excellence of Musa alayhi salatu wassalam. Then the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, فَنَظَرْتُ, and I looked and I saw a large group of people. And it was said to me, this is your nation. And with them are 70,000 people who will enter paradise without any reckoning, without any punishment. Ikhwan, these individuals, 70,000, as we know, they are those who perfected at-Tawheed. The 70,000 are those who perfected at-Tawheed. And there comes in another hadith, because somebody may say, is it only 70,000? So, is there only 70,000? Is there any more? هل نحدد العدد ب70 ألف? So the Prophet ﷺ said, 70,000 people from this nation, and with them, the Prophet ﷺ, he said, with them, there are 70,000 from this nation that will enter paradise without any reckoning and without any punishment. Is it only 70,000? تفضل يا أبا بكر.
هذا ليس محصورا ب70 ألف بل كل داخل 70 في 70 ألف.
ما هو الدليل؟ أخطأت. Who has the proof? Now, there's a hadith collected by Ahmad. There is a hadith collected by Imam Ahmad and others, and Sheikh Al-Albani rahimahullah mentioned it in a Sahihah. He declared it to be authentic. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, "Wa'adani Rabbi, my Lord promised me, an yudkhil al-Jannah, that he will enter into paradise min ummati 70 alfa. My Lord promised me that he will enter into paradise 70,000 from my nation. بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ وَلَا عَذَابٍ, without any reckoning and without any punishment. مَعَ كُلِّ أَلْفٍ 70 أَلْفًا, and with every 1,000 there are 70,000. So how many in total, without screaming out? So I repeat it. The Prophet ﷺ said, with every 1,000 there are 70,000. ها مع كل 1,070 ألفا. Nasir al-Din.
4.9 billion.
4.9 million. I heard some funny numbers from some of the brothers. No, that's billion, brother, that you got in your calculator. Yeah, this brother has 4.9 billion.
That's what I got too.
Huh?
That's what I have.
You said billion?
Yeah.
لا تفضل داود.
490 million. Because 70,000 times 7,000.
That's not what I came with.
70,000
Fadal, the brother at the back with his hand up. Isbiru, quiet, too much noise.
70 million.
Ijlis. No, the Prophet ﷺ said, there will be 70,000 from this nation that will enter paradise without any reckoning and without any punishment. And he said, مَعَ كُلِّ أَلْفٍ, with every 1,000, 70 ألفا, there are 70,000. We need maths classes, I see. Arithmetic. See the importance of maths? That's why for the young brothers and the young sisters, mathematics is important. Mathematics is important. Hisab, mathematics is important as it relates to things like this, mirath, inheritance, and zakat, and other than that. Arithmetic, maths is important. Don't let anyone tell you it's not important. Even for the religion.
Every 1,000, they will have another 70,000 here.
طيب.
So have 70 parts, which is 1,000 in every part here. So have 70 parts, and every part will they will take 70,000 to them.
Okay,
yeah.
so what's your conclusion?
So it's like 4 and 9 million, and 70,000
So he says 4.9 million plus 70,000. So 4,970,000. Who agrees with him? MashaAllah. No. Tfaddal.
I got 49 million.
He has 49 million. This is interesting. Tfaddal. 4,900,000, which is similar to him. He added the 70,000. I'll leave it to you, inshallah, to go away and work out. Naam, so inshallah, I'll leave it to you. But ala kullin, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, and with 70,000 will enter this paradise without any reckoning from this nation and without any punishment. And he said, with every 1,000, there are 70,000. So as the brother he mentioned, it's simple. He said, with every 1,000, there are 70,000. So how many thousands in 70,000? 70. So therefore, 70 times. Barakallahu feekum.
Plus the 70,000.
Yes, if you want to add the 70,000. So do you see how we get there? Barakallahu feekum. See the beauty of the religion? Even when doing mathematics. Allahu Akbar. Kitab al-Tawheed. Ma ajmalah. Naam. So Sheikh al-Fawzan